Never lose your belongings again. The power of AirTags. Have you ever lost something important and wished there was an easy way to find it? AirTags are Apple's innovative solution for tracking personal items, and they've gained popularity among users for a reason. Whether you're always misplacing your keys or constantly searching for your wallet, AirTags can provide that extra layer of security and convenience we all need. We've all been there. You're running late for work, and you can't find your keys anywhere. You've looked high and low, but they're nowhere to be found. The frustration and anxiety that come with losing valuable items are all too familiar. Imagine losing your wallet on vacation or having your laptop bag stolen on the subway. The thought of replacing important documents, credit cards, and identification is a daunting task. Not to mention the risk of identity theft. Losing personal items can be a serious headache, and it's something we've all experienced at some point or another. The consequences of losing valuable items can be severe, and it's something we shouldn't take lightly. That's why finding a solution to this common problem is so important, and that's where AirTags come in, a simple yet effective way to keep track of our belongings. So, how do AirTags work? Well, first, you'll need to pair your AirTag with your iPhone or iPad using the Find My app. Once connected, you can attach the AirTag to your keys, wallet, or any other item you want to keep track of. The AirTag uses advanced precision finding features like GPS, Wi-Fi, and the ultra-wideband technology to pinpoint the location of your item. If you misplace your item, you can use the Find My app to locate it on a map. You can even make the AirTag play a sound to help you narrow down its location. And if you're still having trouble finding it, you can put the AirTag into lost mode, which will lock the device and display a message with your contact information. The ultra-wideband technology in AirTags is particularly impressive, as it allows for more precise location tracking than Bluetooth or Wi-Fi alone. This means you can find your item even when it's not in close proximity to your iPhone or iPad. But let's talk about a real-life scenario where AirTags really made a difference. Imagine you're on a road trip and you stop at a rest stop to grab a snack. In the chaos of getting the kids in and out of the car, you accidentally leave your wallet on the table. You don't realize it until hours later, when you're already miles away. With an AirTag attached to your wallet, you can track its location and even get directions to retrieve it. AirTags are more than just a gadget. They're a solution to a common problem that many of us face. They offer a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that our personal items are protected. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to lose track of our belongings, but with AirTags, you can rest assured that you'll always be able to find what you're looking for. In conclusion, AirTags are a game changer when it comes to keeping track of our personal items. They're easy to use, convenient, and most importantly, effective. So, if you're tired of wasting time and money replacing lost items, consider giving AirTags a try. Have you ever lost something important and wished there was an easy way to find it? Share your own experiences with lost items in the comments below, and be sure to check out our other videos on tech gadgets.